Introduction to plant-based meat.
Plant-based meat is designed to look, cook, and taste like traditional meat, but it's made entirely from plants. These innovative products are gaining popularity with people looking to reduce their meat consumption for health, ethical, or environmental reasons. But how do plants transform into convincing burgers, sausages, or nuggets? Let's break down the process step by step.
Selecting the key ingredients.
The journey begins with protein-rich plants, such as peas, soybeans, or wheat. Producers choose these ingredients for their ability to mimic the texture and nutritional profile of meat. Additional components like oils, flavors, binders, and colorings are selected to give the final product its juiciness, taste, and appealing appearance.
Extracting and isolating plant proteins.
Once chosen, the plant sources go through a process to extract and isolate their proteins. This typically involves milling the crops into flour, then separating the protein from fiber and starch using water and mechanical methods. The result is a highly concentrated plant protein that becomes the foundation for plant-based meat.
Texturizing the proteins.
Texturization is the heart of creating a meat-like feel. The protein isolate is mixed with water and sometimes oils, then heated and pushed through an extruder. This machine uses pressure and temperature to align the protein molecules, giving the mixture a fibrous texture similar to that of real meat.
Flavoring, coloring, and shaping.
To replicate the experience of eating meat, producers add natural flavors, seasonings, and plant-based colorings like beet juice or paprika. The mixture is thoroughly blended and shaped into familiar forms: burgers, patties, or strips. Additional ingredients may be added for juiciness, such as coconut oil or sunflower oil.
Cooking, packaging, and enjoying.
After shaping, the plant-based meat may be partially pre-cooked, then packaged and kept chilled or frozen. At home or in restaurants, it can be cooked just like traditional meat. The result is a tasty, protein-rich food that's crafted entirely from plants. Plant-based meats are a fascinating blend of science, taste, and sustainability.